Okay, guys, we have officially made it. The last, yes, the last math lesson you will receive from Mr. White in the 2019-2020 school year. This past chapter, I think, is extremely important. Not to say that everything that we haven't done isn't extremely important, but this especially because it really brings in all of the different aspects of what we've led up to, right? And especially with multiplication. And this is stuff that you're going to use in your real life, because one day when you guys buy a house, you're going to have to be able to understand, okay, well, if a room is 4 foot by 3 foot, then what's the square footage or the area of the room? So I think it's really important, especially for a few of my crew in there. I know some aspiring contractors, so it's really important to know this, and engineers and architects and all that good stuff. So today we're going to be looking at 11.7 on page 459, and we're going to utilize all the different skills that we've learned thus far, and we're going to try to identify different strategies and different patterns on how to find area without actually having to do that much work, right? Trying to work smarter, not harder. Another one of our mantras in our classroom. First thing I want you guys to do is notice how I put these two numbers in red. FT stands for feet, as many of you I'm sure know. So the width here is 3 feet on each side. The number that I want you guys to focus on is the length here. 4 and 8. What do you notice about those numbers? Okay, 4 and 8. If you're saying to yourself 8 is double the size of 4, you're exactly right. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's take a look at, what do I wanna do it in? I'll do it in green. Let's get the area of this shape first. So as you know, you can find the area, which I'll put as A, by multiplying the length times the width, okay? So if we have the length of 4 and the width of 3, we get 12 square feet. Okay, now, I'm gonna bring you back to what I just said. 8 is double the length of 4. Now we have the 3's that are the same. Okay, that's extremely important as well. They're the same, but these two numbers, this number is double that. All right, let's take a look. Again, we'll do our formula. A, area equals length times width. And then we'll plug in our 8 and our 3. And what is 8 times 3? It's a, basic multiplication fact there. 24. So it's 24 square feet. Okay, now wait a second. Let's focus in on something right now. Put a box around 12 and a box around 24. What do we notice about these? If you're saying to yourself right now, Mr. White, 24, if you double 12, you get 24. If you double 4, you get 8. Whoa, I see a pattern happening. Now, what you're going to do is, this is just the Unlock Your Problem. They're going to give you graphic organizers, and you're going to be able to identify problems, okay? Identify patterns. Think about this as you guys are moving forward. All right, I hope this video helps you out in this lesson. This is a tougher lesson. Make sure you put any questions or concerns in the discussion board. Miss you guys. Peace out.